Namaskar, I am Dr. Ajay Sharma. I have been associated with the Ashlok Hospital for the last 30 years and I am the head of radiology here. Ashlok Hospital has the distinction of being one of the only small hospitals of Delhi to have a body CT scan since 1986. When CT scan was not available even with the bigger hospitals, Ashlok had it right from the beginning. So it has been serving people over the years and served very well. The role of a radiology department in a patient of trauma is absolutely essential. Nothing can be treated without the assistance of a radiology department. When it comes to head injuries, CT scan of the head becomes absolutely essential. Like, it can differentiate whether there is a blood clot which is outside the brain, whether it is inside the brain, whether there is laceration, whether there is any subdural hematomas, epidural hematomas, or any serious injury to the brain, something like brain stem injuries. It can also help in day-to-day monitoring of the patient. Suppose we have diagnosed that the patient is having a serious laceration of the brain and is admitted in ICU, cannot be operated upon, but his condition deteriorates after 2 days. Then you do a CT scan and then find that whether the swelling has decreased or swelling has increased. So that is CT scan. Now, CT scan of the abdomen, trauma of the abdomen. Trauma of the abdomen, first we take it with ultrasound, X-ray to evaluate the ribs, then ultrasound to evaluate injury to the liver, injury to the blood vessels, injury to spleen, which is very, very common, and whether there is blood accumulating in the abdomen cavity. Injury to the kidney is also very, very important, and that can be very, very easily assessed by an ultrasound which is done quickly or even on the bedside of the patient. Of course, the role of X-rays and role of CT scans in fracture pelvis, fracture femur, fracture of the long bones, short bones has always been there. So this is how we feel that the role of radiology department in case of patients of trauma is absolutely essential, and we at Ashlok have been managing it so far very, very nicely, very, very efficiently. We are a team of around 4 radiologists here. We have very, very senior and qualified technicians having more than 20 years of experience. Even as a radiologist, I have been practicing radiology for more than 30 years. Then there is another team. We have been providing all type of services to the hospital. As far as this radiology department is concerned, it has been providing all type of services to the hospital, like apart from performing all the routine investigations, we do interventions as well. We drain abscesses, we drain ascites, we drain pleural effusions, we take biopsies, we treat cancer patients, which cannot be done without the help of radiology department.